Hi, estate planning attorney Brian Barboza here, and today I'm going to discuss what are some of the advantages and disadvantages of having a living revocable trust. Before we get started, if estate planning is something you want to talk more about or you want to explore, please feel free to go to my website, barbozalaw.com, book an appointment to speak with me for free directly through the website. Okay, so what are some of the advantages and disadvantages of a living revocable trust? So the biggest advantages most likely would be you can avoid probate. So by creating a trust, putting that property into your trust, when you pass away, your property that's in the trust can go to your heir beneficiaries without the need for a probate case. A probate case occurs when you pass away with either just a will or you pass away with no will and you don't have a trust. Then in the Superior Court in the county in which you live in California, a case will be opened and a probate court will have to issue orders as to who is going to get what of your property. This, as you can imagine, is very costly. Attorney's fees, you're going to have administrator fees, you have court fees, and there's going to be a significant delay from the time you pass away until the time your beneficiaries and heirs will get their inheritance. So by creating that trust, you can avoid that entire probate process. That's number one. Another advantage is by having a living revocable trust and also having a power of attorney, a corresponding power of attorney, you can avoid having a conservatorship placed over you when you become incompetent or incapacitated, meaning you're not able to mentally manage your financial affairs. By having that living revocable trust, you would also want to have a power of attorney. Those two things combined will allow you to avoid having a court place a conservatorship over you. Conservatorships are very emotional, they're very hard, a lot of people don't understand why it's happening to them, so it's a good way to avoid that. Also, continuity of management of your estate, meaning while you are alive and you put that property into your trust, you still maintain full control of your property. You can put property in, you can take property out, you can sell your property, you can buy new property, put that into the trust. So while you're alive, you don't lose control of your property. However, when you pass away, you've designated a successor trustee to take over the administration of your estate. And so after you passed away, that successor trustee will then step in and be able to work with your estate, will be able to manage your estate and to distribute your estate according to your trust. So there's continuity of management of your estate, thus no need for a probate court to step in, okay? So those are some major advantages. A couple disadvantages would be it's a little bit more costly to do an estate plan that has a trust incorporated into it, because as you can imagine, a trust is a very robust document. It's going to require a lawyer to draft it, to review it with you, to execute it. So it will be an additional attorney's fee to do an estate plan that includes a trust. In addition, a living revocable trust will require you to spend some time after you've created the trust to what we call fund the trust. You're going to have to change title to property to put that title of the property into the name of the trust. Like financial accounts, brokerage accounts, money market accounts, bank accounts, real estate. Those documents are title controlled, so you're going to have to change the title to the trust. Things like retirement plans or life insurance policies, you're going to have to change the designated beneficiaries of those accounts and policies to name the trust as the beneficiary of those accounts and policies. So that will take some time after you've created the trust to fully execute. So that's it. That's some advantages, and there are some disadvantages to having a living revocable trust. If you want to talk more about estate planning or you want to explore your options, please feel free to give me a call or go to my website, barbozalaw.com, book an appointment to speak with me for free through the website. As always, thank you for watching this video. I hope you got something out of it. I hope it was helpful, and have a good rest of your day. Okay, take care. Bye.